Hello everyone! Welcome back to Wow Talk English. In today's video, we're going to learn how to talk about daily routines in English. Daily routine expressions are very useful in everyday conversations because they help you describe what you do from morning to night. By the end of this video, you will be able to describe your own daily routine in English. So, let's learn some common and natural expressions together. Let's begin.
I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning.
I turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm.
I get out of bed. I get out of bed.
I stretch in the morning. I stretch in the morning.
I make my bed. I make my bed.
I open the window to get fresh air. I open the window to get fresh air.
I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
I wash my face. I wash my face.
I take a shower. I take a shower.
I get dressed. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water.
I make a cup of coffee. I make a cup of coffee.
I prepare my breakfast. I prepare my breakfast.
I eat breakfast with my family. I eat breakfast with my family.
I check my phone. I check my phone.
I leave the house for work. I leave the house for work.
I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus.
I travel to work by bus. I travel to work by bus. I sometimes take a taxi. I sometimes take a taxi.
I arrive at the office on time. I arrive at the office on time. I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk. I work on my computer. I work on my computer.
I check my emails.
I check my emails.
I reply to important messages. I reply to important messages.
I organize my tasks for the day. I organize my tasks for the day.
I attend meetings. I attend meetings.
I answer phone calls. I answer phone calls.
I work on my projects. I work on my projects.
I write reports. I write reports.
I solve problems at work. I solve problems at work.
I take a short coffee break. I take a short coffee break.
I leave the office. I leave the office. I arrive home in the evening. I arrive home in the evening.
I drink a cup of tea. I drink a cup of tea. I prepare dinner. I prepare dinner.
I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes.
I clean the kitchen. I clean the kitchen. I watch television. I watch television. I scroll through social media. I scroll through social media.
I read a book. I read a book.
I learn English online. I learn English online.
I plan my tasks for tomorrow. I plan my tasks for tomorrow.
I go to bed. I go to bed. I set the alarm for the next day. I set the alarm for the next day.
I fall asleep. I fall asleep.